Hi guys, it's Bree and welcome back to my channel. So, in today's video, and if you couldn't tell by the title, I'm going to be installing a wig. Y'all might be wondering, why are you installing a wig when you literally just cut all of your hair off? I change my hair like I change my underwear, so when I'm feeling something new, that's what I'm gonna do. Don't mind the washer and the dryer in the background, y'all. Also, it's a curly wig. Never done that before. The only other wig that I've done, actually there's two, so I guess this is my third time. But I'm doing a new method, okay? So I bought bleach and developer, and so I'm like, let me bleach the knots because lace wear, right? So that's what we're experimenting with right now. This stuff stinks, y'all. I recommend you do it with a mask on. I had gloves on, but that shit, it stinks. I just set my timer for 20 minutes. I think I'm gonna come back and check after 15 minutes just to see, and then after that we're gonna wash it off. So yeah, welcome to the hair video. It's been 15 minutes and I don't know, hold on. Alrighty guys, I have y'all in a cabinet because I can't really go grab my tripod right now, but I think I'm just gonna go ahead and rinse it out because I mean, yeah, I think I'm just gonna go ahead and rinse it.
You talk so much, it drives me insane.
I ain't got a clue, bruh.
So what can I say to you? But I'm off there, had to fall back. You got everybody thinking about.
This is what it looks like now that it's been bleached. I don't know if this is a good job or not. I couldn't tell you, but I rinsed all of the bleaching stuff off and I washed it, so we're just gonna let her sit here in a towel for a little bit until I guess I'm ready to do it, and I'll come back to y'all later. Here she is. She's drying, so I mean, I think she's gonna be cute. Do we see the vision? We're gonna go ahead and get started on this bald cap method. I don't know what I should really do about my hair. I don't know. Let me see how it's gonna look if I like don't slick it. I don't even know how I would go about slicking it. Let's see what this does. Cause I don't wanna be walking around looking like helmet head. Jesus Christ. What y'all think? Is it doing what it's supposed to do? Look at my head shape, y'all. Bam bam, turkey and ham. Y'all, this hair is so dark, like, I don't know, I like dark hair on me, but it's a real switch up. I guess we'll see how these ends dry up, and that'll determine if we cut it or not. I don't know, it's weird. It's like there's layers up here, but none down here. Let's do this cap. I got my Dunkin', ready to roll. I look insane. Trust in the process, guys. Trust that I'm gonna make it out of this. I think I am gonna try to slick my edges back a little bit at least. Sorry guys, I'm looking this way because the mirror's this way. I think this is how I'm supposed to do it.
You know the truth. I was always holding you down. You down.
Cool. Good stuff. Which I'm pretty sure I just take my Got2b and get it real good up in there. Oh, I'm supposed to do my ears too. Now we spray. We have to trust the process, guys. And when I say we, I'm talking about me too. Also, because like, I've never done curly hair before. Ever. The only 2 wigs that I've had, they were straight. So. I mean, deep wave all summer 2024. At least that's what they saying. I'm trying to be like them. Now we blow dry. Okay, I've blow dried it. Do I add the makeup next? Makeup has been applied. Now I'm gonna spray it with some Got2b just to, I don't know why, just cause. On the same page. In my mind, I'm done biting it. Bruh, these scissors suck. Found some new scissors. Well, these suck too. I got 100 in cutting in 2nd grade. It shows. I've already told my boyfriend that as soon as this wig comes on my head for real, personality change. He better be prepared to be sick of me. She's bald. She's bald. Okay. Now, I'm gonna take some of this spritz and lay this down even more. Ball cap is on. Ball cap's on. Now, I am going to measure out my ear tabs. I don't really know what I'm doing. Fun fact. Alrighty. Ear tabs have been cut. I don't know, the hairline looks a little dense. So I think I'm gonna sit here and pluck for a little bit. Yeah, because I don't know. Yeah, I think I'm gonna pluck the edge a little bit, but I think she's gonna be cute. And I'll come back to y'all when she's plucked. I've plucked the hairline a little bit. I think it looks a little better. I sprayed it with Got2b and combed it back so that the hairs would be out of my way because we're finna start gluing. And I don't really know how to go about this besides just putting the glue on there and then laying the wig, so that's just what we're gonna do. I just got my alcohol pad so I can clean up around. I'm just gonna be using this glue. Absolute New York Queen of Lace Wig Lace Bond glue. I don't think it's anything special. It was only $7 from the beauty supply store. Now we're just gonna let this dry, clear, and then I'll put another one on. Can't say I love you when it's like that. If it was new, it won't be like that. To everybody else, it would just all be bad. But I love when we make up like that. And you love it when I make you mad. But maybe we just love like that. I think I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the lace. This is how I see him do it on TikTok, so this is how I'm gonna do it. Maybe we just love like that. Times I don't want you around. You do something. Now I'm gonna go in with a little more glue in like these areas where the lace is lifting a little bit, just a little bit, so that I can lay this down some more. I don't know. Now that she's on, we're gonna go ahead and take out our edges. Alrighty, now that we have all of our pieces, I'm going to, well, first braid these down here, and then I'm gonna go ahead and spray the spritz and got to be around the perimeter. Make me smile, and it's hard for me to try to doubt this feeling. Yeah, we could just walk. I literally can't feel my head, but I think that means that the lace is melting. We have to see how we're gonna style it. I'm thinking middle part just to start, because it's what I'm most comfortable with. And a middle part always eats, like every time. Yeah, we could just stay away. The things I love about you, I can't change. I'm sorry, I'm taking this off. I can think again. Don't ask me why I haven't been using this from the beginning, but I got a wax stick. I don't know why I'm just now using it. I think before I go any further, I'm gonna go ahead and do my edges. I'm going to try to curl these edges. No, 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 no. In my mind, I'm done fighting. In your heart, you keep trying. And the truth be done. Alrighty, guys, the edges are done. I don't really know. What are we thinking? Is she cute? Is she cute? Check out the lace, guys. I don't think it looks too bad for my first time dealing with curly hair. I just have to figure out how to style it. I think it needs more layers. I think it needs more layers. I don't know. We're gonna wet her, and then we're gonna see. Okay, I went ahead and cut a few more layers in it. Like, not a whole lot, but I did that. Now we're gonna wet it. Look at the difference. kind of crazy. I think this is the final product, at least for today. I think she's kind of cute. I don't know, guys. How do y'all think I did? Alrighty. So y'all can get a closer look. She's kind of thin at the bottom. Like, where'd it go? But I think she's kind of cute. I guess this is what $55 from Amazon is worth. What do y'all think? You have to tell me what you think.
If my phone wasn't recording,
You like it?
yeah, that's all right.